Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. Just want you to know, if you have an Ecotech engine and you choose not to change the oil, or you neglect changing the oil, this vehicle actually has solenoids in them. This goes to your variable timing. And if you look a little closer, you can see all the gunk that's all right here. You will clog up these screens. You mess up your variable timing. Also, this oil is completely black, so that tells me this vehicle's been completely neglected. There's two of them. One exhaust and one intake. You must keep your oil changed on a regular interval, or you will trash this kind of engine. The Ecotech, EcoBoost, any kind of American vehicles that has that engine in it, you must do it. If it's a GDI engine, you must change the oil too. This system's run off of the oil, which is a little bit more than the regular engines. And if you do choose and you do not change the oil, or let it run out of oil, you destroy the whole system and you'll be buying another vehicle. And you're really never going to get it run back in the same. I care about you guys. I don't want this to happen. If you have over 100,000 miles, make sure that you check your oil. Even though you don't see any drops on the ground, make sure you check your oil every time you put gas inside of your vehicle. Your engine is, most 9 times out of 10, is burning eternally inside the engine. If the piston rings are probably wore out, or the valves are wore out, and letting oil just burn with the gasoline. And you do not want that. And then you could lose your engine, destroy your engine, or cause significant problems. And a $20-something product versus a $6,000 product.